Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making one of my favorite things in the morning, granola. I always store it like this. You can keep it like this for 2 to 4 weeks and it's amazing. Just in the morning when you wake up, some coconut yogurt or milk if you want to. Put some granola in with some fruit on top and it's the best breakfast you'll ever have. So someone wants to say hi because my other dog has been in the video a few times. And he's here. This is Blue and he wants to say hi. Say hi. Say hello. No. He loves the granola, but you're not going to have it. No, you're not having it. So yes, guys, we're going to start now. It's quite a lot of ingredients, but you can play around with it. I mean, I love to put my nuts in and my sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. But if you want to keep it very simple, you can do that as well, or put some chocolate in if you like to. I like this one because it's very plain and natural and it gives you a nice sweet taste of all the nice sweeteners like maple syrup and vanilla extract. So stay tuned and we're going to start with making the granola. So I'm going to start with some organic oats. They're gluten-free, by the way, but you can use other oats as well. Normally, I would have used 5 cups, but because it doesn't fit, I need to use a smaller one, this one. And it's 20 of those, because normally it would be 5, and this one is a lot smaller, so I'm going to use 20. So I'm going to start with some rolled oats. That's it. Oats are amazing in the morning. They're so good for you and they give you energy and they fill you up, and it's an amazing source of proteins as well when you have granola in the morning. So once I've did the oats, I'm gonna use the coconut flakes. I love coconuts. It's so nice, gives you like a nice sweet taste, and it's actually really healthy for you as well. So I'm using 1.5 cups, a little bit more. I love to put some nuts in my granola. I'm using pecans and some almonds, but you can use whatever you want. If you want to use some other nuts, that's fine as well. So I'm just going to put the oats, the nuts in, sorry. I mean, I don't know how much it actually is. It's like 2 cups maybe, 2 big cups of nuts. You can play around with the nuts like I said before. After I put the nuts in, it's time for the pumpkin seeds. I love pumpkin seeds and they give a nice color as well to your granola. Then I'm using some sunflower seeds. Again, I'm going to put all the measurements underneath the video so I don't have to explain everything right now because I use different cups because of the sizes of the bowls here. Then I put some flax seeds in my granola as well. I love flax seeds, they're really good for your digestion. They don't really give a taste. They don't have a flavor when you put them in your granola. I just love to put them in my smoothies as well. I just feel like in the morning when you have some flax seeds, it just wakes everything up in your stomach and you just digest things better. So now that I've put all the big ingredients in, I'm going to put some cinnamon. Again, I don't really have measurements for this. I just sprinkle it on top. Don't really know how much. It's just, some people love more cinnamon, some people don't like cinnamon at all. I love a little bit of flavor of cinnamon. I don't like it too much. So I always sprinkle a little bit on top, see how it looks, how the color looks, and if I feel like I need more, I'll put some more in. I just need to put some sea salt as well. So I have it in the back. The same thing is for your sea salt. You just sprinkle it on top and see how you like it. It doesn't really have measurements. I'm gonna mix everything. So now that I've finished my granola, it's time to make my liquid ingredient. It's going to be some coconut oil with some maple syrup, some peanut butter, because I love my peanut butter. And I think that's it. Coconut oil, maple syrup, peanut butter, and vanilla extract. I forgot that one. So that one is in here. I'm gonna use this one as well. Vanilla extract. That will bind everything. I will warm that up. Oh, I forgot my banana. The mashed banana as well. That will bind everything. You put it on top and then you just put it in the oven. So the first thing I'm going to do is use the coconut oil. Put the coconut oil in. The coconut oil will give a nice rich taste. It will make sure it's nice and smooth, and it's quite oily, so it will bind everything, and the taste of the coconut is so nice. And it's actually a really good fat. Coconut oil is really healthy. I cook all my food in coconut oil, from tofu to like vegetables. All my food that I make is with coconut oil. Now I'm gonna make sure the banana is completely mashed. So I'm gonna put this one. You need a little bit of patience for this because it's always a nightmare. That's it. So just pour it in. So I'm using now the maple syrup. Maple syrup gives you a nice and sweet flavor to your granola. The combination of maple syrup with some banana and coconut oil gives you a nice kind of caramel flavor to your granola. It's a natural sweetener and you don't need any other sugars. Now we're going to put my favorite ingredient in. Everyone who knows me knows that I absolutely love peanut butter. I literally have peanut butter with everything. I'm one of those people who just can live on peanut butter and chocolate because that are my two favorite things in the world, I think. So I'm using crunchy peanut butter. It's a big cup. It's one and a half cup. So I just said I'm going to put it in the description. Like I said before, I'm just going to put it in the description because I'm using different sizes today just to make sure everything fits in the bowls and everything. So I will let you guys know underneath the video how much I use for everything. But peanut butter is so nice. It gives you the nice crunchy taste to your granola, and it's such a good combination with banana. Yeah. So the last ingredient is the vanilla extract because you need some vanilla in your granola. With the banana, it's just nice, and because you're using quite a lot of ingredients here, you want to have a nice sweet taste. So now that the liquid part is finished as well, I'm going to make sure this is nice and warm so I can pour it over the granola, mix everything and put it in the oven. And you can see it here, it just looks so nice. The combination of the banana, the peanut butter looks so good. I'm just going to make sure it's nice and warm now, and warm enough to mix everything. Now this is finished, it's nice and warm. I'm going to pour it over the granola. And now you just need to have a lot of patience because you need to mix everything. And the good thing about this is you can just store it for 2 to 4 weeks in here and keep it like fresh and enjoy it in the morning. And once you put it in the oven, it will get nice and crunchy. So it's a perfect combination for a good breakfast in the morning. Nice and crunchy, fresh with some nice nuts and oats. So once this is mixed and I put it in the oven, I'm going to show you guys when it all is finished. I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to eat the granola. I will have some coconut yogurt with some mango and some granola with some coconut flakes on top, and it's absolutely delicious. It's like a proper treat in the morning. I'm making a proper mess over here, but that's okay. So now that everything is ready, I'm going to move this and make sure it's ready for it to go in the oven. Put this one down. And this is quite tricky because it's not really a nice thing to hold, but I'm just gonna be super quick. It looks so good, guys. I can't wait to try my granola. I know you guys can't smell it at home, but it smells so good as well. It always makes me hungry when I'm making things. What I love about granola is that you can try and totally different things. You can try with chocolate, or you can put some raisins in, and you can just really play around with ingredients that you love. finished. So now you just need to make sure that everything is equal everywhere. I mean, how nice does this look? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it in the oven for 35 minutes, 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm just going to take it out and just make sure everything is mixed, because you don't want it to be burnt underneath, or you don't want it to be crunchy underneath on the top. You want it to be like equal everywhere. So I'm going to take it out after 15 minutes, mix everything and put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Then take it out, leave it for maybe 20 minutes, half an hour till it's completely cooled down, and then I'm going to enjoy my granola. Right guys, everything is ready. I'm going to show you how I love to have my granola in the morning. I'm going to use some coconut yogurt because it's vegan and I don't use dairy products. So I'm just going to fill my glass with some coconut yogurt. Like this. I am making a mess. Then I'm gonna use some fresh mango. I'm gonna blend this. Make sure this is nice and blended. Everything is nice and blended. Use this spoon. Just gonna put some fresh mango on top. I don't have any spoons left, so I'm just gonna use my hands for this. Put some nice granola on top of there. And the thing is, you can also put some chocolate chip on, you can put some more coconut flakes on top if you like. I just like to keep it simple and just use some dairy-free coconut yogurt and some mango, but also you can use blueberries. I love blueberries with my granola, or strawberries. But yeah, for today I'm using some mango with some coconut yogurt and fresh granola. Everything is finished, guys. I can't wait to try this one. It's gonna get messy because I put quite a lot in, but I don't care because it's so good. Oh. It's actually really a mess now, but it's fine. It's so nice. It's so good, guys. I can't wait for you guys to try it at home. So make sure you like the video, put thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe, and let me know how you get on with the granola. Let me know also if you try some different things and if you like it, and if you think, oh, this is perfect for Nermina, send it to me or make a message underneath, like send me a message, and I will definitely try it at home as well. And for now, I'm just gonna enjoy this. Make sure I eat it all, and I hope to see you guys the next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.